Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up auto invest plans on Binance. So just tap on my account and officially logged in. Now next I will be moved in my home icon, which is top left bottom corner, and in dashboard you will see the auto invest. So just tap on auto invest. After inside you will see auto invest enjoy zero fees. So there are all coins BTC, Ethereum and BNB. I just tap on BNB because it's a higher of percentage above all. So you can just name of the plan of your this plan and just select the coin and amount, add coins which you have, and investment amount in USDT. Example, what you have, you will just type on $100 or $1,000, and after next you will just tap on a recurring cycle. You will have to trade it one time or daily or days. So you can just tap on daily in hours or weekly or monthly. So from here you can just select the recurring cycle of this plan. Just set it and set at any local time of your country. So when all the information is done, so just tap on the next button. So it's easy and simple. And if you want to see your plan, just tap on this portfolio and here you will find your plan. So why is auto invest important? Auto invest is important for a number of reasons. First, it can help you to save time and effort. When you use auto invest, you don't have to manually buy cryptocurrency on a regular basis. This can especially helpful if you are busy or if you don't have a lot of time to invest. Second, auto invest can help you to save money by using a DCA strategy. You can buy a cryptocurrency at lower average price over time. This is because you will be buying a cryptocurrency when the price is low and selling at when the price is high. So basically auto investment is for this. So this is the two reasons of profits in auto investments. It's safely on Binance. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.